Let's talk about this brand new tuner, the Uber tuner. It's a clip-on tuner for guitars and for other string instruments as well, actually. It has a bunch of different options. Let's open it up, clip it on, and see how it works. So, it says all instrument clip-on tuner. Let's see how I can take that out. We'll just rip it. Perfect, beautiful size. So really, really nice. Comes with the batteries, so that's to be noted. And a beautiful colored LED screen. So it is on right now. I'm putting into 440, which is how I tune my guitar, 440. Most people will tune them in 440 as well. But you can have a bunch of different, obviously, hertz that you want to change into. It has a piezo sensor, which basically will work with the vibration and read or feel. Let's put it this way: feel what string, and not only that, but what tone I'm giving it. And this is full on. This is really nice. So if depending on where you put it on your guitar, I can have it facing me. So I'll have it facing you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but you could see right there, yellow, green, and red. Yellow being flat, green being right on the money, and red being sharp. It's super. I'm a visual kind of person. Very easy, super tack sharp. It goes all the way. It goes plus and minus 1 cent. So that's very, 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 very tight. Let's try it out. The response is automatic. No wonder everyone uses this. This is a great tuner. And will it also ring for if I play a chord, let's say? Yeah. So it knows. So if you're learning as well, not just tuning your guitar, but if you're learning and if you want to make sure that you know what chord you're playing, or make sure that you're composing something and you're like, what is this chord? This tuner won't only tune your guitar, but let you know what you're playing, really. It's very light. You could have it on your guitar, clipped on as you play a gig, anything, or just leave it on all the time. It really doesn't affect your playing, the weight of the guitar, and it will make sure that you're tuned perfectly every single time. The Uber tuner, love it.